Hello. Welcome to the 5 Best Review. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best belt sander to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Makita Belt Sander. Makita Belt Sander combines speed and power with handy features that are easy to use. It works quietly and quickly for efficient removal of stock. The Makita is perfect for general contractors, floor installers, carpenters, woodworkers, and all those who need a best-in-class model. The belt sander comes with a powerful motor with an electronic for speed so it can maintain a constant speed while under load. It has a wide belt and a good speed allowing you to work more productively. Aside from being highly efficient, this belt sander is very durable too. It has a labyrinth construction which seals the bearings and the motor to prevent contamination. The tool's front grip provides control and comfort, and the user-friendly lever control makes it easy to change belts. The Makita also has a wear plate made of ceramic which minimizes maintenance time, and it even has a dust collector that's highly efficient. Features: Quietest belt sander in its class. It has a large grip on the front that's positioned for your comfort. It's a relatively lightweight belt sander, and it comes with a warranty good for a year. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Skill Belt Sander with Pressure Control. Skill Stylish Belt Sander is highly efficient too as it's able to sand any type of surface made of wood. The Skill has a microfilter dust canister which will help maintain the cleanliness of your work area. The Auto Track belt maintains the alignment to keep the belt right at the center. The tool also has a lock-on switch, flush edge sanding, a soft grip, and an attachment for a shop vacuum which can help control the dust as you're sanding. Its dust canister also has a clear view feature to remove guesswork as you would know exactly when to empty the canister. The Skill has some unique and handy features which set it apart from the crowd. One such feature is the pressure control technology which will give you an indication when you're applying enough pressure for the type of application you're performing. This is a very helpful feature, especially for beginners. Aside from being highly handy and efficient, this belt sander also comes at a reasonable price. It's the perfect tool for beginners, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts. Features: Pressure control technology. Auto track system keeps belt centered on track. Single lever belt changes. Coming up next. In third place we have the Ryobi Portable Belt Sander. The Ryobi is a pint-sized belt sander that can be maneuvered easily into awkward angles. It comes with 2 rubberized handles that allow a firm grip and a comfortable handling position, even if you have sweaty palms. Despite the entry-level pricing, the Ryobi comes with a set of specifications that make it well suited for small to medium-sized jobs in the workshop. It is powered by a 6-amp motor that gives it a fair bit of power. There's a lever on the side of the casing that releases the belt tension, allowing an easy, tool-less change. Also provided is a tracking tool that helps to fine-tune the belt position. If you seek a compact, portable belt sander for your finishing tasks, then you won't be disappointed one bit with the Ryobi. To top it off, it is very affordable. Features: Ergonomic design. Powerful motor. Does not make much noise. Now moving to the number 4. Rigid Heavy-Duty Belt Sander. This belt sander comes with a robust motor which means that it's powerful enough to handle even the toughest jobs. It has a dial for controlling the variable speeds. This comes with electronic feedback which matches the speed to the removal rate you need. Then you can maintain the speed under load to ensure consistent results. The Rigid is of high quality materials making it durable and tough. It has a vacuum adapter which can fit a standard hose for a work environment that's virtually dust-free. It also has an automatic belt tracking system for improved alignment. The Rigid has a variable dial for speed with an electronic feedback feature. The tool has flush sanding capabilities even against vertical surfaces. This tool has a cord that's 12 feet in length and is of rubber. Also, The cord comes with a cord wrap for enhanced convenience and durability. The Rigid has accessible brushes which you can quickly service for reduced downtime. Features. It features an automatic tracking tool to adjust the belt for better alignment. The handles have a soft grip feature to reduce vibration and increase comfort. Motor belt and gear driven for added power and durability. In the 5th position we have the Black & Decker Belt Sander. The tool's front roller helps reduce your need to perform flush sanding. The Black & Decker is a 6-amp tool, making it powerful enough for professionals and DIY enthusiasts as well. It's a compact and lightweight tool that has convenient features such as the retractable handle and the dust collector to maintain the cleanliness of your workspace. The Black & Decker has some excellent design features. Its body has a flush design so you can sand in vertical surfaces and in corners. This tool is easy to control thanks to its small size and its handles, which are of plastic. This model comes with a dust bag, a sanding belt, and a user's manual. With this belt sander, you can change belts quickly and easily thanks to its quick release button. It's a lightweight model that you can use for longer periods of time without experiencing fatigue. Features. The handle has 3 possible positions, and it's retractable for better control. Includes a dust bag, a sanding belt of medium grit, and an instruction manual. It also has a dust collector to keep your work area clean. Thanks for being with the 5 best review throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best belt sander. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.